Pig.
Bianca, go.
Come here.
Go get him.
Come here.
Go get him.
Come on.
She can't breathe. You have to help her.
I love shopping at American Express.
Hi.
My dad actually
What are
worked
you
at one of
doing?
those chains, so he was always my go-to
Come on.
for glasses.
Come out.
Go get him.
Like that.
Come on.
Now
Go.
I
Bianca, go.
Come on.
the best
Come on.
prices. With the access
Come on.
code you get contact
Go.
people
Come on.
Come on.
This is dog abuse, Helen. Go.
Come on,
Bianca,
babe.
go. You have to help her peel it off her head.
Call 1-800-2PAIR or visit 2PAIR.com.
There you go. Come on. Come all the way out.
Today.
Go. Go.
Come on. Come on. Come here. Good job.
And a pig's boy.
Good job.